is for auto rickshaw, 3 little wheels and a beep beep sound. The auto rickshaw zooms around. B is for bulldozer, it pushes dirt and rocks away. The bulldozer cruises away. C is for cargo truck, big and strong, it hauls so far. This truck carries goods from car to car. D is for double-decker bus, 2 floors that's tall and fun, a ride for all under the sun. E is for elevator truck, up and down it lifts the load, helping workers on the road. F is for ferry, across the water, it floats with cheer, cars and people ride it clear. G is for glider, with no engine it flies so free, a gentle bird above the sea. H is for hot air balloon, up, up, up into the sky, riding a balloon, oh me, oh my. I is for icebreaker ship, through frozen seas it leads away, smashing ice to clear the bay. J is for jet ski, zooming fast on ocean spray, a splashy ride that loves to play. K is for kick scooter, kick and glide on 2 small wheels, riding it gives you happy feels. L is for loader truck, it picks up dirt, it scoops up sand, the loader truck gives helping hands. M is for metro train, zooming under the busy street, metro trains are super neat.
Nissan car, a smooth and shiny city star, ride around in the Nissan car. O is for oil truck, carrying oil to every place, it drives with care and steady pace. P is for passenger train, all aboard, let's go on track, this train brings happy people back. Q is for quadricycle, 4-wheel fun, it rolls with glee, perfect for you and friends like me. R is for road roller, heavy and slow, it flattens the street, making the road all smooth and neat. S is for skateboard, with balance and fun, we roll so far, a cool little board, no need for a car. T is for taxi, yellow and fast, it's ready to go, the taxi drives through high and low. U is for utility truck, helping fix things all around, it's the hardest worker in a town. V is for Volumobile, half bike, half car, what a ride, pedal powered and fun outside. W is for watercraft, on rivers, lakes, or seas it plays, a watercraft sails happy days. X is for extreme bike, jump and flip, fast and loud, the extreme bike makes the crowd proud. Y is for Yamaha scooters, dip and zoom with style and grace, Yamaha scooters, waste place to place. T is for zip car, quick and clever, small and neat, the zip car rides through every street.